So friend, rumors regarding Samsung's next budget flagship phone have been making the rounds online. Now, the latest report offers us more insight regarding the design refinements that are arriving on the Galaxy S25 FE. So here's everything you need to know. The news arises from the ZDNet report, which reveals the changes arriving in the body of new FE smartphone. The South Korean tech giant is apparently planning to making the Galaxy S25 FE thinner than its predecessor. To recall, Samsung Galaxy S24 FE measures a respectable 8mm, but the Galaxy S25 FE may have a slimmer 7.4mm chassis. This is reportedly being achieved thanks to Samsung using a flexible OLED panel on the newer model. And that's not all, the front is also getting some more improvements as the bezels surrounding the screen are getting thinner as well. The reports add that the Galaxy S25 FE could sport a 6.7-inch screen with a 120Hz refresh rate with slimmer bezels on all four sides. Slimmer to its predecessor, this is an OLED panel which likely brings an HFD plus resolution. Unfortunately, this was all the information we had now. But earlier this week, the Galaxy S25 FE was spotted on the Geekbench platform with the Exynos 2400 SoC, 8GB of RAM and Android 16 OS out of the box. And a 4700 mAh battery pack is expected to power this device, which could support 45W wired fast charging. For photography, the rear is set to pack a 50MP main camera plus 12MP ultra-wide plus 8MP telephoto camera setup, while the front houses a 12MP shooter. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.